The 21st Amendment to the United States Constitution officially repealed federal prohibition. Because there was no longer any national law governing alcohol, states were given the authority to determine whether to permit the sale of liquor and to legislate the distribution of liquor based on local preferences and public policy considerations. But although states enjoyed extensive control, conflicts arose when states' 21st Amendment authority clashed with other constitutional provisions, as demonstrated by Tennessee Wine and Spirits Retailers Association versus Thomas. Tennessee state law required a valid retail liquor license to sell alcohol to consumers, but obtaining a license was contingent on meeting Tennessee's durational residency requirements. Eligibility for initial licenses was limited to applicants who had resided in Tennessee for 2 years prior to submitting an application. Applicants seeking a license renewal were required to establish 10 years of continuous residency. Corporations could only obtain a license if all its stockholders, directors, and officers met the residency requirements for individual applicants. However, the Tennessee Alcoholic Beverage Commission discontinued enforcement of the residency requirements for new applicants in 2012, after the state attorney general advised that they unconstitutionally discriminated against the economic interests of non-residents. In 2016, 2 businesses applied for retail liquor licenses. The owners didn't meet Tennessee's residency requirements, and the Tennessee Wine and Spirits Retailers Association, an organization of state liquor stores, threatened to sue the state commission if it granted the licenses. The commission's executive director, Russell Thomas, filed a declaratory judgment action in state court to determine whether the residency requirements were valid. The association removed the action to federal district court, which ruled that the durational residency requirements violated the Dormant Commerce Clause, and the Sixth Circuit affirmed. The association appealed the Sixth Circuit's ruling on the 2-year residency requirement for new applicants, arguing that the law didn't violate the Dormant Commerce Clause, and that the 21st Amendment granted Tennessee the authority to regulate state liquor licenses. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.